Okay, hello everyone. I want to teach you how to answer the English homeworks if you have difficulty to answer because your English vocabulary is not good enough. So I will tell you how to answer for example, yeah, Archer. Archer, yeah, already. So you know, you know what is mean archer, right? Archer, archer. See, archer. After you answer like this, you can cross the archer or circle the archer word that is mean that you already answered. Okay, how do you know what is this word? Feather, feather, feather. What is this feather? Actually, you no, you don't know yet how to spell it. Okay, we open this one. Okay, Google Translate. Google Translate. Okay, when we want Indonesian. Okay, okay. Let's see again. What is this? Oh yeah, feather, feather. Google Translate. We feather. Oh, listen. If you want to know how to read this word, use this speaker to listen. Press the speaker.
Feather, 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 feather.
Feather. Yeah. And in Indonesia, bulu. You want to listen also? Okay, you press the speaker.
Bulu,
Bulu.
bulu.
Bulu. Okay.
Feather,
Feather in English. Okay. We want to know feather. Which one is feather? Feather, do you know feather in bahasa? Ah, okay. The feather word is in this one. Okay. Now this is how to read this one. You don't know how to read. Okay, I will tell you how to read. We open Google Translate again. I forgot what is it just now. Okay. F-O-R-S. Okay. Oh, press.
forest,
Forest.
forest,
Forest. Actually, we can see the image down here. The photo here. It's mean forest.
forest.
Forest. In bahasa
Hutan,
hutan.
hutan.
Hutan. Okay. Do you understand, right? So easy. Okay, the forest word is for what? This one. You see a lot of trees around here, and we call it forest. Hutan. Okay. Nah, next this word. Okay, this word. How to say in English? Wait. Go back to Google Translate.
Criminal,
Criminal.
criminal,
Criminal.
criminal.
Criminal. Criminal. Criminal.
Criminal,
Criminal. Pidana. You know pidana? Okay. I will tell you. The criminal word is for this one. See? Criminal. This is criminal. No, no, no. Not this criminal. This one. Criminal. Sorry. Criminal. It mean they already got in the jail. Yeah. Got in the jail. Okay. Okay. Thank you everyone. I hope you can use my video so you understand how to answer. It's easy. Actually, it's easy. Yeah. You have to do it by yourself. No need to call your parents. your parents only I don't know, angry with you. Oh, why you cannot answer? You just find the answer by yourself. Trust me, you can do it all. You can do it all of your homework by yourself. Okay, thank you everyone. Bye.